What's up, guys? We're gonna be playing episode Animal Rivals, episode 2 of Getting Better. So, I am a battle commando right now, and we're just gonna be playing until we reach top of the levels and whatever's next above Battle Commando. So yeah, let's get into it.
Oh,
Let's go.
honestly, I don't know if we're gonna win this one.
Yeah, I don't know, guys.
We got this, bro.
Match starting.
Although
Round
they
starting.
were kind of XP farming for both of them going for me, or for us. Two ranks that are both lower. Middle. Over there. I see it. Holy, they suck!
Whoa,
Holy!
I just got double teamed.
Oh, W teammate, you nearly 1v2'd them. W. Did you say one of our team?
Round starting.
One of us are Titans? Jesus, 28 damage, he lasered me. Both right here. One rushing, both rushing.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Double team!
You double teamed us first. You fucking stupid.
It was 2 people against 2 people. That's not double teaming. Double teaming is where 2 people go for 1. Holy, y'all stupid.
I got 193.
93 for 1.
Yeah, I hit the regular monkey for like 100.
No, you didn't, buddy. Never mind, you did.
I saw the fucking damage.
Up, sucks. And okay. He's right
There you
there. They're both. One's sniper spamming.
I hate snipers so much.
Yeah, that's why I don't use sniper often.
Round
When
starting.
someone's so good at it, it's just annoying.
I don't use it often. But sniper, it does more damage. And it's just overall more annoying. Did you realize that you can use his trampoline? Dad. On me, 48. Over here, right there. Nice. Is it just me or are they buns?
They low-key are for a silverback or whatever they are.
Silverback 1 and
Round
Silverback
starting.
3 versus what? Battle Commando and Rampage Major.
Why do y'all keep double teaming everyone?
Exactly, y'all just double teamed me. Right here, right there. I got one with a frag grenade that apparently he didn't see on the wall. It's this big giant black ball all on the wall. How do you not see that?
Round starting.
Like, grenade. Did 30 damage to me. One on me. Both on me. Still double teaming, by the way. One hella low. Nice. The other one also low. Other one also low. This dude somehow continues to not see my frag grenade.
And he ran away.
Oh wait, let me find him. Oh my god. And he's back over there.
Where is he? Oh, I see him.
to do. Can't stop running. Nice. At one point he was over there. Man, 5-1. Both of y'all are silverbacks. Jesus.
So the guy that is an
you guys might
crash out, right?
Right? I'm sure they are in.
Team chat, team chat.
Match started.
Go to team chat.
My AR's level 44. My AR's level
Honestly,
44.
guys, I can't really talk to y'all because I can't hear y'all
Round
because
starting.
I just factory reset my headset, right? And now and now the audio is like glitched. It sounds like y'all are like miles away.
I still did something.
Bro, what is
Match
this map,
starting.
Twin? What is this map, Twin?
What?
Lock and me, need double team.
187 on the Titan.
Alright.
Bro, I hit him 187. Come on, lock it. Just kill the battle commando.
Because the battle commando is going to be easy. Because I know you're good, I know you're goated.
Found him.
How are you battle commando and have an MMR? Titans right behind you. Titans right behind you.
He got
Hit him
me.
one. Hit him
Where
13
the hell
damage.
are you at?
Nice.
I died.
Oh my god.
Stop YouTube.
Round starting.
49ers. I hit 49 on a Niner.
Oh my god,
Well,
I swear.
I hit 40 on a 9-year-old. I hit 40 on a 9-year-old.
What? Skibbity!
By the way, the Titan's 9 years old.
Oh,
Round starting.
I'm not gonna lose to a 9-year-old.
I know you can.
How old
you
are you?
can, but
21.
21.
oh,
I hit 48 on him, bro. He's so low.
150. He's 50 HP, bro.
Right there.
He's up there.
Yo, I hit 48 damage on him, bro.
I
Oh my god, there's no way you actually won that. I was being so sarcastic. What's up, YouTube? What's up?
Oh, then he punched it. How?
My bad, I kind of
The camera's in my face.
The camera's right here, bro. I hit 10 on him, bro. One of them one shot. I hit 10. I hit only 10. Well, okay, well.
Oh, dang. I'm dead. Dang it, I'm dead. Bro, I'm getting spammed.
So wait, my
Oh,
teammate's dead already?
damn.
He's low.
Okay, of course. Of course.
Of course, of course.
Of course, because your teammate's a 9-year-old, buddy. How do you have MMR in your battle commando?
Round
I
starting.
don't know.
What type of people are you going against?
Oh, I'm terrible.
Dan, you suck, buddy.
Oh my god, bro.
Let's
I killed
go.
them both.
Timmy, you can not play me.
W, teammate.
Yo, what's up, YouTube?
I'm in first person, bro.
Round starting.
What's up, YouTube?
Yeah.
I am 171.
I'm half health. 'Cause I lose. I'm 9-11 health. Okay, I can't say that.
Okay, bro.
Got you 110. Boom.
Got him.
Where did bro come
He
from?
jump scared me.
Where did bro come from? Wait, what did I just say?
Round starting.
Come, bro, from.
Where did go broom broom? Wait.
Did bro ride a broom to the orphanage? Okay, my bad.
The broom broom. Skippity!
You got juice, buddy. You got juice, buddy. You can't deny that. You got juice, buddy.
Of course.
I hit them both for a little bit.
Teammate, don't
Come on.
die. He's one tap. Don't die.
Oh my
He
gosh!
died. He died.
Bro, I ran out of bullets when I killed him. That was perfect. That was perfect.
There's some what? There's
Maybe we'll meet at a bar. Who drive a funky?
Match starting.
Okay, I think I'm gonna use this on them. They may not be as
Round
good.
starting.
Yeah, they're literally using shotgun.
Hit him. He's like going over the top. He was really like.
Round starting.
He was really one tap. He tried his hardest. Oh, Mike can jump. The heck? You. Oh my god. How do you do a monkey?
W name.
Round starting.
Got him.
Let's go. Nice, bro.
Round starting.
So fast. Pause. Oh, there's only one person. This teammate left. I'm gonna let you 1v1 him.
Round starting.
He's coming around. He's on the thing. He's on the trampoline.
One eternity later.
My turn. It's a 2v1. I have to let someone 1v1.
Round
So it's
starting.
fair. Alrighty. His teammate left, so that wasn't really fair. But there's a few more games. Never mind. We don't have to play any more rounds, cause just leveled up. Battle Warlord. So come back to episode 3 where I get whatever's next. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. That'll help me out a lot. Alright, well, bye.